Hi guys, welcome back to the channel guys. So in today's video I'll be doing something I've not done before. I've not done this kind of styling before, so this is like a first attempt of trying this hairstyle. So guys, I'll be transforming this hairstyle from this to this over here. So guys, if you want to like the video, subscribe to my channel, please like the video guys, share with your family and friends if you find my content helpful, and you know the drill guys. I'll see you in my next one. So guys, what we're going to use for this hair tutorial is the pair of scissors, a tooth comb, some clips to hold the hair in place, bending rollers. I'll be using this ultra set styling mousse. I would also be using this olive oil sheen spray. From the last video that I created this hairstyle, when I unraveled it, this is how it turns out to be. So guys, this is like another styling on its own, if you'd like. So basically I'm just unraveling the course. I'm just unraveling it so that I can start this other styling. So that's what I'll be doing here. Unraveling the hair. This is how the tips of the braid is. It came out perfectly. So guys, the next step is to cut the hair. So I'll be cutting it here, and I'll use this one as a benchmark to cut the other ones. Guys, this is how everything is. Then I'll start loosening it. So guys, I'll be stopping it here. I won't use it more than this because it's a knotless braids. If not, everything I will just use all the hair at once. So I would end it here, and this is what I will do for everything. So when I'm done using the hair, I'll show you guys the next step. So guys, this is what it's looking like after loosening the braids. So I'm just going to pick 3. Take this one back, brush it through. Please guys, be careful while doing this process so you will not get burnt. So here is the towel I'll be using. After soaking it into hot water, I'll use the towel to damp the hot water out. So guys, that's what I'll be doing for everything. When I finish soaking the hair into hot water, I'll show you guys the final look of the hair. When I unravel the curls, I'll show you guys the final look of the hair. So guys, keep watching. So guys, I went ahead to do my makeup off camera and I've finished putting the hair into hot water. So let me unravel the curls and we'll do the final styling. So guys, this is how the hair looks like after I finish unraveling the curls. This is how it looks like. It came out beautiful. I'm very excited. It came out well. So I'll be using this ultra set to set the hair. Which is the final look of the hair. Comment down below if you're going to be trying this hairstyle. So guys, to like the video, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell guys so we get notified anytime I upload a video, and you know the drill guys. I'll see you in my next one.